Welcome all in our YouTube channel. Click like, subscribe and notification icon. Now we will review Boat Xtend Smartwatch. Here in this Boat Xtend Smartwatch, we can have 4.3 centimeter, that is 1.69 inch full touch display screen, which is really good, with stress monitoring, customizable watch faces and Alexa built-in feature. So let's open and see what's inside this box. Wow, nice watch. Just take out this watch. Oh, slim watch, not very thick, very lightweight. Now let's see what comes inside this box. The charging cable with the USB end and a magnetic charging end. A nice sticker, a 1-year warranty card, a manual to configure Alexa in your watch. This is both product catalog and smartwatch manual. Now let's check our watch. Peel off this protective layer. Very lightweight golden and black color Boat smartwatch. Size wise also, this is perfectly fit on my wrist. Looking cool and trendy. This golden color is giving a premier look to this smartwatch. Now let's see how to charge this thing. This is the charging point on your watch. This is the magnetic end of your charging cable. Connect this USB end to the power outlet. This is not attaching here because this is the wrong side. Just rotate the smartwatch and try to connect from here, and this is done. So now let's install Boat application in your Android phone, that is Boat Wave. Follow normal procedures and allow view access. Log in or register yourself. Select an area, in my case that is India. Type a nickname. Select gender. Set your birth date. Set height. Weight. Now set goal for yourself, in my case 8,000 steps per day, and target weight is 72 kg. Add device, switch on Bluetooth so it will find out which device you are trying to connect. It got your device, that is Xtend Smartwatch. It established connection with your device. Here you can configure Amazon Alexa if you want, but I am skipping this. Here you can set message notification. Let's try to do this. From here you can set notification from calendar, emails, SMS, missed call, Twitter, Instagram, and much more. From preference settings, you can set units for your measurement system and temperature. Now it will sync with your device with Bluetooth. Device is synced. Now you can see Xtend Smartwatch here in this device section. Let's check what's inside this section. This is device information, lots of watch faces. You can select anyone, what you like, change colors. Scroll a little, select this health monitoring. You can check lots of monitoring options here. I'm selecting very important monitoring reminder, that is drinking reminder. So I'm going to start this. Start time going to set on 7 a.m. till 11 p.m. Set reminder interval to 1 hour. Repeat cycle is all weekdays. After setting all, click OK button. Now select sedentary alert. So click on. Start time 7 a.m. again. End time is 9 p.m. Target steps per hour is 100. Repeat cycle every day. Now let's set the alarm. Set alarm for 6:30 a.m. in the morning. Repeat for all days or as you wish. Give a name to your alarm. In my case, this is morning alarm. So our alarm is set. You can set any message notification if you want. In my case, I'm not setting anything. Set auto sport recognition. This will automatically check whether you are walking or running. In device settings section, you have these features. Once in a week, I would suggest to restart the device option. Thanks for watching our video. Please subscribe yourself on www.subratkotia.com. Don't forget to like, subscribe and share our YouTube channel Precious Rainbow.